guys, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So a couple of days ago, I went to Ikea and I was just super inspired. So I filmed the whole thing. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. As the seasons change, I love seeing all the new stuff they put out and all the new trendy ideas that they have in their showroom. I love how they take something so simple and cheap and honestly turn it into something super beautiful and functional. So I'm gonna show you guys all of that. I know sometimes going to Ikea can be a big production, so just sit on your couch or your bed or wherever you're watching this from, have a snack, have a drink, and we're gonna go to Ikea together. I know some of you guys hate on Ikea, but there's a lot of high-end stuff that you can get from there at a really, really great price. Not all of it, but I'm gonna show you guys what those are and what the smart things are to get there to really elevate your decor. So don't forget to stay till the end where I show you all of the fun things that I bought. And yeah, let's go shopping. Okay, you guys, one thing Ikea excels at is their storage solutions, whether that be for your jewelry, like this pretty gold rack, or for your clothes. This is such an aesthetically pleasing way to display your jeans or your pants, and it's super affordable. $3 for a 5-pack of hooks with a $10 rail. I love, love, love this idea, and I'm definitely going to be doing this in our new home. I just think it's so functional and useful. And this fold-down table is the solution to all of our 2020 problems. Just kidding, it's not, but we can pretend it is. It is $164 for this fold-down table. I love the shelves and the cute wallpaper in the back, so you can make it decorative, and then when you need more space, you could just fold it right back up. And Ikea is really great if you guys are ever looking at organizing your closet sometime soon. They have really great, what would normally be expensive options for way cheaper. I think this whole system was like $850, which is a crazy awesome price for somebody who wants to just revamp their closet and have some organization. And I also found a lot of adorable accessories just dotted throughout these showrooms, so I just had to show you guys. So if you don't want to splurge on a sofa, I definitely recommend coming to Ikea. Fun fact, we were actually going to buy this Kivik sofa before we found ours at the Pottery Barn outlet, but you just can't beat the price. It's super duper comfortable. I love the casual modern look, and to make it look a little bit nicer, all you have to do is just put some legs on it, you guys. Ikea really does just have some great prices on their sofas. This guy is actually a Pottery Barn dupe. It is normally a $5,000 couch for this size, and this guy is $999. So I think this is very beautiful and elegant. Here it is again in the white. Another thing that is very affordable at Ikea is their kitchen cabinets, and look at their selection, you guys. There are definitely plenty of options, and they are so well priced compared to normal cabinets. I mean, you can get a whole kitchen for $3,000, which is insane for all of these nice, pretty colored cabinets. I really do think that they have good prices on their sinks as well. Like this farmhouse sink was super affordable compared to going to Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever. And I really just love walking through all of these kitchens and seeing all the fun creative ideas they have in the showroom. Another thing that is very affordable that you should be looking at Ikea is their lighting. You guys, this would look so beautiful over a dining room table or in an entryway. Also, these brass little desk lamps are very restoration hardware, and they're only $40. Another great thing to buy at Ikea are accent chairs. They have so many fun ones. Like this guy, I think the wicker is so beautiful, and it was only $99, which is a great price. They also have this rocker, which Mike really liked. And this guy, if your style's a little bit more boho, this guy was a little bit more expensive at $140, but I still feel like that's a gorgeous chair for that price, especially with the rattan that's very trendy right now. These guys were $170, and I feel like they looked very Pottery Barn Restoration Hardware. Side tables are also a really great thing to get at Ikea because they have so many different types, they're inexpensive, and you can personalize them to match your space. For example, you can paint them yourself, stain them yourself, or just switch out the hardware to really customize it and make it fit in your space. And when you find your husband taking showers in the floor model, you know it's time to move on to the floor section and make your purchases and get out of there. So I just saw a couple of really cute things that I wanted to show you guys down here, and then we will head home. I thought these $6 vases would be perfect to do that faux dipped effect. I have a tutorial in my Pottery Barn dupe video. This blanket was very, very interesting. It was $12 on sale, but it did have a lot of pretty texture and actually felt very nice, I will say. But it totally reminded me of those stretchy shirts that they sold in the 90s. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Then I thought this shoe storage unit was very interesting. I thought it was very functional, but at the same time, I'm like, I like my shoes on the floor. I don't know. And then Mike was playing in the curtains, and I decided it was time to go. All right, you guys, so we are back home and I'm gonna show you all the fun things that I got. Okay, so this first thing that I got was a hanging faux plant, and I feel like I'm very picky about my fake plants. They have to look real, and I felt like this guy looked very authentic and it was high quality. It was $10, and what I like about it is instead of just being like a regular fake plant, it hangs, so you have that extra little bit of visual interest when it hangs over like a shelf or a dresser or a console table. I feel like it really makes a statement. I think I'm gonna honestly go back and get more because I'm kind of bummed I only got one. I think that these are really cool. You could hang them in like a shower with like a hanging plant hook or something like that. You can never have too many fake plants or real plants. That's what I gotta say. So yeah, $10 for this guy, not a bad deal. The next thing I got was this glass dome with this gold base. It comes apart like this, so you can put like whatever you want here. And I bought it because I thought it'd be really pretty for Christmas decorations, to put like little Christmas trees or little lighted buildings. And then once Christmas is over, you can switch out other seasonal decor and put it in here. I figured there'd be a lot of uses for it, so there was no excuse not to buy it. It was $15, and they had a bunch of different colors. They had like a matte black bottom. They had ones with just like clear tops, which would be really pretty to decorate with a couple different sizes. So yeah, that's that. All right, so the next thing I got was this rug, and this guy was $4, okay? I thought that that was such a good price. I got major Joanna Gaines vibes, or like Studio McGee with the very like light linen-y look, very casual. I really like to incorporate things that are made out of natural materials in my home, so it feels like very down to earth and grounded, and I feel like this definitely does that. For $4 for like a kitchen rug or a bathroom rug, that's where I'd probably put this in like the kitchen or the bathroom. I felt like that was such a good deal. One other thing I really liked about it is it's washable. Obviously light colors get dirty, and this would be really easy to just throw in the washing machine. So yeah, okay, so the next thing that I got were these really pretty palm stems, and I know it's not the season for these, but I thought that they would be really cool like in a glass vase or something and really make a statement when it's summertime. They were very cheap. Each one was $6, so that's a really good price for something this large. And then I like that you can kind of bend the stems to like fit your vase or whatever. I've seen stuff similar to this at Pottery Barn, and the fact that you can get these for $6 each is crazy. Greenery is definitely a great thing to buy at Ikea because it's so cheap, and I feel like most of their things, not all, are very good quality and look real. There's a couple things that are very fakey looking, but I've been looking for these for a long time, and these are the most real looking that I've seen for this price, so that's that. Ikea is like the place for curtains. I hope I'm not the first person to tell you guys this, but if I am, definitely go check out Ikea for curtains. We got the Lenda curtains. These guys were $35, but the 98-inch length was $25. So we just got the really long ones because we have high ceilings. And if you guys didn't know, you always want to hang your curtains above your window, not at your window, because it really makes your ceilings look a lot higher and elongates the look of the window. I like that they had little ties at the top. I think we bought like maybe 8 packs of these. They're going around our whole house. Linda is coming to our house and she will be there to stay because she's gonna be all over the walls. But yeah, I can't wait to show you guys these when they go up. Right now, obviously we're still in our apartment, but I'm gonna be hanging these like right when we move in because I'm so excited. Ikea has your back if you need curtains, just saying. Alright, so next I just wanted to show you guys this. It goes along with the curtains, but we also, it's very hard to show you. We bought rods for all the walls that we'll need panels for, and what I wanted to show you is we got these little knobs for the end, and what I like about this is the knobs are large, right? So they're oversized knobs, and this is very skinny. So I feel like that really makes an impact when you have something skinny and then large at the end versus just like all skinny or like all thick. I think that this will look very elegant for super cheap. Even at TJ Maxx or Home Goods, their curtain rods are very expensive for just one curtain rod, and this is way cheaper. And I honestly like the look of this better than anything I've ever seen there. I still look and keep an eye out, but I haven't found anything. So Ikea for curtains, curtain rods, and the little knobby things on the end. So yeah, that's that. All right, and this last thing that I'm gonna show you guys is kind of a sneak peek into one of my future videos. I'm going to be doing like a front porch makeover, and part of that is making your own doormat. So I was on the search for a blank doormat. All the ones that I saw were pretty expensive, except for this guy. This guy was $8, and this thing is huge. Like, it's bigger than a regular size doormat. It's also called the Trampa, which, do you think that means like because you tramp on it? No? Okay, that was stupid. I'm gonna spruce her up later, do a little DIY, you guys will see it, but I love the fact that you could get like a huge blank doormat for $8. Like, that was a really good deal, so yeah. All right, you guys, so that is it for my little mini Ikea haul. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like this video and comment or tell me that you like it, because I want to put out videos that you guys like to watch. So if this is the kind of content you like, I can definitely do more Ikea videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!